At his weekly press conference today, Jack Deere questioned attorney-at-law Roysdale Ford and senior counsel Stanley Marcus's legality in representing Gecom in the appeal filed against the High Court's ruling that barred the removal of persons' name from the National Register of Registrants through the house-to-house registration exercise.
Here is it that Gecom is part of the case, and you have two lawyers representing Gecom that don't have the authority of the commission, because the matter was never discussed at the commission, to represent them. And guess who the two lawyers are? One is Marcus and the other one is Roysdale Ford, who is on the list of Apnu, the top-up list.
According to the opposition leader, Gecom is effectively arguing against itself and without the authority of the 7-member Elections Commission. To this end, he called for Gecom's chairperson, Justice Claudette Singh, to intervene.
I suspect they are in Basil's team, but having the cover of Gecom, and that should be ended immediately. Gecom, the chair of Gecom, should intervene immediately and say, this matter, you don't have the imprimatur of this commission. You can't go to court and argue that you're representing us. It's like imposters in court. And that, because they're arguing really to slow down the elections or stop the elections. So this matter we're going to be pursuing aggressively.
The state is appealing a High Court decision that Gecom cannot remove names from the NRR unless they are disqualified as outlined in the Constitution. On Wednesday, the parties wrapped up final submissions with Attorney General Basil Williams, urging the appellate court to go ahead and rule on the matter, while defense attorney Ralph Ramkaran argued that the court should decline jurisdiction and not rule since the country is in elections mode and any decision will impact the electoral process. Ramkaran pointed out that in the circumstances, this matter will now have to be dealt with as an elections petition after the upcoming polls. Reporting for the Evening News, Vanu Manakchand.